What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Brevo with WordPress. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Brevo or you can just simply type in brevo.com. So after that, you will see the first official link of Brevo. Just simply click on that and you will be welcome to this dashboard of Brevo. Now, after that, if you already have an account on Brevo, just simply click on login and then log in with your email. Or if you are new to Brevo like me, click on sign up for free and then enter your email and password to access Brevo. So as you can see, it has sent me an verification email to confirm my email address. I'll just simply click on confirm my email address and then I will be redirected to Brevo. After that, it will start with the basic like your name and your company name. If you have website, you can copy and paste the website link. Now, after that, it will ask your address, your zip code, city, and country. That it will ask your verification number, and then you just simply have to type in your verification code that has been sent to your mobile phone. So after that, as now you can see, these are the plans to choose from. You can choose any one of these. I'll just simply click continue with free plan. Now, after coming to the home page of Brevo, on your right side, click here on your profile, and then you can see these options of plugins and integrations. Simply click on that. After that, just simply click on this WordPress by Brevo. This is the integration that we want to connect Brevo with WordPress. If you can't find it here, you can just type in the search bar and then you can find this. After finding, just click on it and download the WordPress plugin. After that, as you can see, you first have to download Brevo, and then after that, click on WordPress and then just simply install WordPress into your PC. I am showing this with the help of a screenshot. When you will go to your WordPress, on your left side, you will see this options of plugins. Just simply click on that. But remember, guys, just download the plugin that we searched for in Brevo, that WordPress and Brevo integration. Just simply download that, and after that, come to WordPress and click on this plugins. After clicking on plugins, on your right side, you will see this option of upload. Just simply click on upload, and on your when you will scroll a bit down, you will see the extension has already been added. Just simply click on upgrade and continue. So it will upgrade it and the Brevo will be connected with WordPress. So this is how you can connect Brevo with WordPress. That was all for this video, guys. Thank you everyone for watching.